Hey team, watch this 3-minute video that is given below. This is quite amazing, shared by one of our friends Kavya. This is the importance of documenting our ideas before judging them or discarding them. Who knows, it might be $1 million idea which no one has ever tried. Let's say if it is not $1 million idea, what's wrong? What happens if you just thought of the worst idea ever? Still you are ideating, right? I believe ideating is a cumulative process and there will be many steps in between to reach a groundbreaking idea. We are just never thought about the process of ideating generally and are all only exposed to groundbreaking ideas which change the society. We might learn very few things by looking at those groundbreaking ideas, but instead if we are focusing on the process that they have followed in coming across the groundbreaking idea, we will learn a lot. So let us look back at what are the small steps that groundbreaking ideas has taken. As Stanley tells in this video, his idea was initially laughed at, but as soon as he published it in a magazine, the same criticizer came running to buy into his idea. This is what exactly we are doing here within our team. This is what exactly we are documenting with Top Ideas book, where we are including all our ideas, good or bad, small or big, vague or solid, silly or logical. This way, we are flushing them onto a paper and giving our brain a space for new ideas. Who knows? No. I am very sure. Very soon, our Top Ideas book can land us at ideas which has potential to create several thousands of crores. Ideate daily. Jot them down. A day without an idea is a day wasted. Recently, a quote shared by Shravan sir is echoing the same. Here it is. Theologian Howard Thurman said, "Don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and then go do that. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive." Finally, a disruptive and revolutionary idea might not be an out-of-the-world idea, but an approach to look at what we do daily in a completely different way. Also, don't ever think that you got a bad and impossible idea. For those who are tagging it as a bad idea are also new to that. And they haven't done any research about it before tagging it so. So, be cautious. So, why to worry about their opinion? Just ideate, man. Have a great day. Thank you.